Good afternoon, this is RJS Roofing. We're here to do a second repairability attempt on Mr. Eric Moran's house. Today's date is June 27th. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. And it's about 85 degrees outside. This will be the 3-tab that we're replacing due to this wind damage shingle here. As you can see, we've got a bunch of damage everywhere all over this roof. Multiple missing shingles, multiple tarps, multiple soft spots. Really not really a repairable roof, but this is the second time you guys asked us to come back, so we'll do it for you guys again. The tools we're going to use is a State Farm approved roof snake, standard nail puller, and a roofing hammer. I'm going to start off by breaking the seals so we can get to our nails. Come on, man. Did I bring that shingle up here? Oh, yeah. Alright, give them an overview before we start. Those 2 rows we'll take nails from, that way you can see that there's no prior damage, nothing like that done. Alright. I'm going to be even more gentle than I was the first repair test attempt we did because apparently I was too aggressive with it. So I'm just going to barely touch the shingle. Find that nail underneath. That nail is right here. So I have to lift it up a little bit to reach the nail that's halfway up this shingle. The nail is not on the sealant line like it should be.
As you can see on this shingle here, you got a little bit of damaged matting over here on the right side. A crease starting to form right here in the middle and a little bit over here towards the left side.
Don't tap it.
On this shingle here, you can see the same thing. You got creasing starting right here on the right side of this shingle, going towards the middle and a little over here towards the left side.
This nail's too far in. Have to go underneath. The shingle's already creased. That's the one that's already been creased, so. Pointless.
You think I could blow on it?
No, just point with your finger.
This shingle here, you can see there's a crease starting right here, moving throughout the middle of the shingle, going towards the left side. On this shingle here, it's more of the same. You can see a crease starting to form right here on the right side, going all the way through the shingle. It's pretty bad right here in the middle, but.
All right, our second row of nails.
This one's more of the same. You got some creasing starting right here on the right side, going throughout. Not too much here in the middle, but you can see it. this shingle here, you've got a little bit of damaged matting right here on the right side of it. You got a crease starting in the middle of the shingle going towards the left side.
All right, last nail removals. One more under here.
On this shingle here, you can see a crease starting to form right here in the top right, going all the way throughout the top of this shingle.
All right, take this one out. All right, I'm gonna install these nails with the State Farm approved roof snake. Still, when I'm installing the nails, gonna be just as gentle as I was when removing the nails. Just lifting this shingle up just high enough to get it right there on the roof snake where it needs to go. Not lifting it any higher than that. That's the first row, we got the second row now. I'm not even putting the nails back. They were all up here. I'm putting them back on the sealant line where they're supposed to be, so it's not as high up. All right, we'll go over the damage with you guys now that we're done installing this 3-tab. As you can see, we've got our new 3-tab here. And if you follow my finger, this first one we took nails from, I mean, it's not really that bad. Slight mat breaking right here, crease starting to form. We'll mark it just because of that. This shingle here, you can see broken matting right here. Crease starting to form all the way across the top there with loose granules. I'm not touching them. This shingle here, same, a little bit darker of a shingle, so it's kind of hard to see, but you can see this broken matting here as it goes down to the middle right there. Crease starting to form there. This shingle here, just gonna get this debris, this couple of pine straw off so you can see. I'm not tapping on it. Got broken matting here, crease starting to form all the way over to about right here. See that crease right there with broken matting, loose granules right there. This shingle here, see broken matting up here in the corner and right here in the middle. And there's some loose granules there as well, which will come off with the next wind blow or really anything. So we'll mark that one as well. This shingle here is not quite as bad as the others. Slight mat breaking here, but really this one's actually okay for the most part. But we'll leave that one unmarked. And this shingle here, you see broken matting on the left side, going down to the middle and into the right here, with some loose granules there, which I'm not going to tap, but they will be gone and show that crease more as time goes on. So I have to say, with the condition of this roof and just the amount of work you're going to have to do to make this roof repairable and actually a good repair for it to actually work for the future and be withstandable for a long period of time, I just don't see that happening, especially with the condition. It's just not going to happen. So this repair test has failed. And hold on, bring it over here. You can see this whole slope right here. From here on, they've had it replaced for the repair, like y'all asked. This is what you're gonna get if you repair this roof. All these shingles right here, they have to, there's no way to avoid that with repairing this roof. So, yeah. Same thing goes with all the other repair attempts on this roof. They all have creases surrounding them. So yeah, this repair test has definitely failed.